she's thinking
behavior.
about doing with them. I'm not sure what she's thinking about doing with them. But both of them want to be in the den. They don't want to be wandering around the side there, or close to Mom at least. There, she's picking it up again, or thinking about it. Maybe she's just maneuvering them into a more comfortable spot for her. I don't know what she's doing. Squealing. 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 The two of them have set up a wailing sound, running straight back to the den. This is exactly a replay of what happened with James. Oh. This is fascinating. She's calling it again. It's like she's cross with it. It's to move them. I think she wants to move them. And they're making life difficult for her because there's two of them. I'm not sure. That is so interesting. I'm not repositioning for the moment just because I want to see how the scenario plays out. And I don't want to add to the fear of the cubs because they're clearly quite scared. They don't want to be away from the den. I think that they're a little bit too young for her to be moving them. Before, and the hyenas. Raisa, there's a possibility she'd be moving them because of the lions, but I don't think so. I mean, we've had lions walk right up to hyena dens before, and